Hello friends, in a series of the lectures, the subject performance management, today we will discuss the topic performance management linked reward system. It involves rewarding employees according to their performance or results achieved or contribution to organizations performance as individuals or as a part of a group. There are several types of performance linked reward system. Let's see one by one. First, merit incentive pay. A common method which has a long been in existence is pay increase or bonus payment on the basis of performance rating. The merit incentive pay scheme provides another method of recognizing and rewarding differential performance. This method could particularly be suitable for office staff. Next one, incentive schemes. Output based incentive schemes are appropriate where tasks are repetitive and measurable. These are, however, not suitable for high technology and service activities, which require information sharing, problem solving, and teamwork. Productivity gain or profit sharing or employee stock option plan like ESOP may be suitable types for such activities. Next, group incentive and productivity gain sharing. Under the productivity gain sharing schemes, productivity gains are shared in accordance to an agreed predetermined formula. Profit sharing gives a share of profit. Sometimes the quantum of bonus is determined on the basis of profit as well as productivity improvements according to a predetermined benchmark value for each of them. Next, productivity bargaining. This method implies first, a detailed analysis of the firm's operations. Second, the identification of cost reduction possibilities. Third, estimation of saving in cost. And last, the development of a system of indexing wage increases with cost reductions actually realized over the time. The climate for productivity bargaining has never been more favorable than now. It is for management to take initiative and build this approach in their collective bargaining relationship with unions. Next, long-term incentive. Long-term incentive in the form of employee stock option schemes are operated both to improve long-term incentive and to reduce fixed cost. ESOP means employee participation in and ownership of a company's equity. This plan is intended to provide an incentive to employees to improve the all-round performance and growth of the company and share its prosperity. The plan usually involves allotment of equity shares according to a laid down procedure and subject to governmental regulations, law, and rules. The employees benefit in the form of enhanced market value of his shares and capital gains, which in turn depends on companies and employee performance. Several software and high-tech organizations such as Infosys have conceived and designed such plans. And last, competency-based pay. The competency is a critical determinant of performance. Therefore, there is an increasing interest in offering monetary incentive for acquiring competencies required for higher performance on the present job or for the next job. Such competency may, for instance, include values, attitude, and behavioral characteristics with influence performance. So this is the concept called performance management linked reward system. Thank you very much for watching this video.